We've all heard fresh as a daisy. Well, I'm planting some Shasta Daisies and I'm using bare root plants. So the time-honored way to plant perennials. What I love about Shasta Daisies and many perennials, of course, is that they come back year after year. So once you plant them, they're going to be in the garden for a long time. When I knew I was ready to plant them in the garden, I soaked them for about 5 hours in water just so they'd rehydrate the roots. Now what I've done is I've identified where the stem was last year. Now I'm just going to place this in the ground with that stem just at the surface of the ground, just like this, okay? And then I'll water it in. I'll put a little stick beside it, and then once it leafs up, I'll put a little mulch on the ground to keep the weeds down and help keep the soil moisture consistent. And I'll have daisies for decades to come.